Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you all today's video because today we are doing a fall decorate with me. This is actually my first year decorating my apartment and so I'm so excited to be decorating it all with you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you shopping with me as I buy these fall decor items, and I'm also going to be showing you what I got and how I styled my apartment. I tried to keep a lot of the decorations that I picked out very simple and neutral, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Also including some of the pieces that I DIY'd on my last video, so if you haven't checked that out, be sure to check it out. I'll link it in the card up here and also link it down below. If you like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, comment down below with what your favorite item was, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. Now, let's get on with the shop with me. I've been on a hunt for like a nice little fall blanket for my couch. And I like this one, I like the material, but I think the color's a little off. It's not, on camera it looks like a burnt orange, but like in real life it's not as burnt orangey as I would like, but it's almost there. And it's only $17 for a full/queen blanket. What do you guys think? Okay, this is more of the color that I'm going for, like this burnt orange, and this is the blanket. You can tell the difference when I put it next to that. So I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's a little bit off. I like this. Made in Portugal, 50 by 70, and it's a $20 blanket. It's really thick. Would be really good for the winter time. This is cute. Ooh. A dollar. How cute. I like this color. They already have Christmas stuff out. That's crazy. This one's cute. All right, so a couple days have passed since the last clip I showed you. I believe it was me shopping. Now I'm actually gonna go ahead and style my apartment. I'm gonna show you guys what I got and then we can go ahead and style. So here is where I've been storing all of my fall decor as I've been collecting it over the past couple weeks. And so I'm gonna start pulling things out. All right, this is everything I have so far. I took it out of the box that was over there and I put it on top of this table. These, I'm not entirely sure what these are. I got these last year. I thought that they were dish rags at the time, but to be completely honest, I don't know what these are. I think you hang them off of somewhere, so we'll see if we find a place for these. This one says Boo and Boozy. And this one says Eat, Drink, and Be Scary. I also got these dish rags. These are from IKEA and they were only a couple of dollars. I want to say like at most $5. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my kitchen. I also got this pillowcase, which I got from IKEA, and then I added some pom-poms onto it. If you want to see how I did this, I actually made a fall DIY video, so I'll definitely link it down below. I also made this wreath, which is also included on my fall DIY video. I love how it came out. I have these two vases. The flowers are from Michael's. This vase is made out of a pumpkin, and this one is just like a clear glass vase. Again, not sure entirely where these are going yet, but I really like the look. I also found this candle from TJMaxx. It was only $7, and I literally am obsessed with it. It's this pretty gray color, and it's from the Martha Stewart line. It's in white pumpkin soy blend candle. Not only is it super duper cute, but you can continue to use the vase even after the candle burns out. So Love that. I got this blanket from Five Below for only $5. It's this beautiful burnt orange color, and this is going on either my sofa or my bedroom. And then I pulled these little string lights out of storage, and I think that this would be really cute or just around the house. I think it would give it some cozy vibes. Right, so now that I caught you up to speed with everything that I have, I'm gonna go ahead and style my apartment. All right, so these are the two pillows that I have on my couch. I'm trying to figure out which pillow I should get rid of. Let's see. I'm gonna grab my pillowcase and just put it over both of the pillows and see which one looks better. All right, so here's how it would look if I keep the tan pillow. I think I like this, but then the black pillow is what ties in everything. Oh, I don't know. This is how it looks with the tan pillow, and this is how it looks with the black pillow. I actually think I'm gonna get rid of the black pillow and keep the tan pillow. All right, so here's how it's looking so far. The black pillowcase is definitely my favorite one out of the two, but I think the tan makes more sense. So we're gonna go ahead and keep the tan out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and switch this blanket out for the orange blanket. Blanket is looking so good. I love the color of it, and it's so silky and soft. Like, you would never ever believe that I got this from Five Below. I would say that it's a bit thin, but I mean, for a seasonal blanket that's only going to be out for like a month or two, it's perfect. I actually bought this tray from IKEA that I've been looking for my coffee table, so I'll go ahead and put this here, and then I'm going to grab, I'm not sure which vase I'm gonna do. I think that if I do the two pumpkins, it might be a bit too much. So I might just do this. I don't know, we'll play around with it. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. Let me fix the leaves on. I like it, but I'm not a huge fan of this vase. I think maybe I should like spray paint it or put some marbles in it, but I think it works for now. Let's see how it'll look if I put the pumpkin vase on here. Ooh, guys, I think I like it. All right, so I switched the vases, and I think I like this a million times better. At first, I was afraid that it was gonna be too much like pumpkin, I guess, but I mean, we're in fall, so what else should I expect? And I also like this one because it gives it a bit more height. Everything was super duper short, and so this being a little bit taller makes it even, I guess. So I really like this. All right, the only other thing I have left to do is to set up the kitchen. I have, oopsies, I have these dish towels, which is going on my oven. How cute, I love it. I think I've said that for everything I've put out, but literally how cute. And that was my fall decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to keep everything very simple and neutral, and so I hope you guys like that. This is actually my first time decorating, and so I didn't want to do too much the first time around. Also, if you guys are interested in any of the living room decor that I have, I'm actually working on a living room makeover, and hopefully it'll be out by the end of this month. And also, if you guys are interested in any of the DIYs that I included in this video, I'll definitely be sure to link my fall DIY video down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, comment down below with what your favorite item was, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you on the next one. Bye.